What's up, guys? Welcome to the official kickoff of my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Chris and welcome to the official Mortified family. She's looking somewhere else, but hey, big booger, say hi to the people. Feeple is a new word. So welcome, guys. I know you guys are here for the giveaway, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some more details as we get through this video. I want to say thank you guys to the OGs that have been stuck into my YouTube channel. Really grateful you guys have stuck around for those pretty much, you know, beginner videos that I've done, and I'm hoping to do a lot better. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about myself. I was born with a piston and 2 turbos. You guys catch that? No, so my dad was actually a mechanic. Pretty much I was born, you know, handing my dad tools or whatnot, and I'm not a professional at all. Like, honestly, like, I didn't really start getting into cars until I started like pretty much becoming a teenager. And I mean, I never worked on them, but I just really became interested. Well, not even as a teenager. I've been interested my whole life. As a baby, I've been playing with cars and who knows what. But anyways, yeah, so all of that till now has led me to, you know, I would say the car addiction. If you guys know what I mean, then you guys know. And if not, then welcome to pretty much the car addiction. It's real. So yeah, all of that has led to pretty much me now and here with my cars. I actually am fortunate enough to own 4 cars as of right now. Here is 1, 2, 3, and another one that you guys aren't able to see that's in the other side of this garage. Pretty much my dream is to just do what I love, and that's drive cars, kick clutches, burn some rubber, do some crazy cool stuff, and pretty much drift now. You know, like this is something that I've really been looking at for the past couple years. If it goes to a huge far level, then cool. I would be honestly super happy and grateful. But most importantly is I just want to enjoy every step of the way with the cars that I have, and hopefully a lot more cooler and funner ones to come. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my E36. This is a 1995 BMW 325IS. This has a 6-cylinder, obviously a 325 for those BMW guys. This is natural black from what I can tell. This right here is actually the first car that I was able to go to buy to officially be my drift car. I had a BMW back in the day. It was a 4-door 4-banger. That was a fun little car for being what it was, but ever since when I sold it a couple years back, I kind of always enjoyed BMWs. So I finally wanted, or I was able to get the 6-cylinder one, which is this one, and it's actually pretty good for what it is. As you guys can see, it came with the carbon fiber hood. The bumper, that's an M3 bumper. I bought it from a local and I installed it and painted it myself. As you guys can see, it's really darn dirty, but I had actually buffed this car, and yeah, I did a paint job the other day and I was being pretty gross, and yeah, I got overspray and plus a bunch of dust. But I'm gonna go ahead and rebuff this one, and when I go ahead and do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do it, little things that I do. You know, I want to show you guys my G35. This one, I would say a couple months later, I had the opportunity to pretty much buy this one, and I couldn't say no. Like, honestly, the price was just crazy, so I had to get it. It's a 6-speed. It has a plenum spacer. It has the intake. I put a Mashimoto radiator. It has the Mashimoto oil cooler. I want to say thank you to Mashimoto for giving me the entry-level sponsorship here. Definitely gonna be cooling down my engine. I went ahead and painted the front bash bar. That was a spray can, but it came out pretty good. If you guys can't really tell, I have 5mm spacers in the front, and I have PTM2 tie rods for a little bit of extra angle. So I've been doing some work to this one as well, and I'll go ahead and be doing a lot more work to this one. This one right here is my Cadillac ATS. This is a premium, so meaning it comes with the red interior. It's kind of dirty, and it also has carbon fiber trim. It's the 4-banger, like I said, but it's the 4-banger turbo. It's 2.0 turbo. So with this one, She's more of my daily, but there's stuff that I'm going to be doing to this one that will be pretty much spanking ATSVs and CTSVs when I'm done with it. So not just those, but a lot of other cars that are along the lines of those cars. One more car, it's a little bit darker out here, but we still have enough light. That's a trailer that I was also, might as well introduce it. I was able to buy it and I couldn't go on the deal, so I bought that one. It's gonna be for the race cars. But anyways, a little bit, well, I'll tell you guys more about that trailer later in the videos. This, if you guys can't really see, is a Ford Mustang GT. It's 2001. I'm gonna go ahead and like tell you guys, you're gonna be seeing a lot more different cars because that's part of my side hustles of what I do. I pretty much buy and flip cars. Sometimes I buy more than a couple, but this one right here is exactly what it is. It's a buy and flip car. That one right there, all I thought it needed some spark plugs, but it turns out that it had thrown 3 rocker arms. And the backstory on that one is that one was actually a police seizure. So I'm guessing people were running from the cops, threw 3 rocker arms, and the car was acting up and they couldn't go anymore. So I'm gonna be doing some work to that one. I've already done a little bit more work, but I'll go ahead and show you guys some more videos on things like that. So that one's gonna get buffed out, it's gonna get cleaned out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some quick little tips on you know, pretty much how to start and how to finish and then sell that project. So here we go. So as I mentioned earlier about the E36, when I went ahead and bought that E36, I pretty much, as soon as I got it here, I was too excited to pretty much just tap the gas, hit the clutch, and do what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick footage of how that one did.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the dark, how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see.
So as you guys just saw, I was clutch kicking the crap out of it, and yeah, so what happens after that, my clutch master cylinder broke. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. I'm installing a brand new clutch master cylinder, since I went really happy on my clutch kicking, and I'm not gonna lie, a couple of times in Mexico. Also guys, I just want to go ahead and let you know I have some pretty darn cool merch that I totally enjoy. As you guys can see, I'm wearing one of the beanies right now. I have beanies like this and shirts like this as well. So if you guys happen to like my beanies, this is part of my merch. All you gotta do is just go to the merch store. I have beanies, I have shirts, I got some cool stickers, guys. And also I got some cool face masks, and I also got some cool backpacks. And I also have some more cool stuff at the merch store in case you guys want to go check out anything else I have there. So guys, now for the details of the giveaway. 5 of you are going to be winning $100, and 1 of you is going to be winning $1,000. I'm going to be giving away the $1,500 total when we reach 1,500 subscribers. All you guys have to do for the $500, for the $500 giveaway, all you guys have to do is like, subscribe, comment below, and I'm gonna be picking the best comment for the $500. So on that one's gonna be 5 of you that are gonna be winning $100 each. For the $1,000 giveaway, all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment below, and go to the merch store and buy anything it is you guys like, whether it being a beanie, hat, you name it, whatever it is you guys like. After you go ahead and buy whatever it is that you guys wanted to get, go ahead and send me a picture of your receipt with your comment that you commented below, and I'm gonna personally pick out one person and I'm gonna verify the comment with the receipt that you guys sent. And when we reach the 1,500 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away the cash prize. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it as well as I did. I hope to see you guys on the next video. What's up guys, welcome to the official kickoff of my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna give you those details. I forgot that freaking video later in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video on the E36. Did you fart? Oh my god, man.
Yeah, I did.
No manches.